everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to review Samsung front load fully automatic 6 kg washing machine, and I am going to tell you some key features about it and how you can use it, how you can select any specific program into that and how you can run that. Before that, if you are new to our channel and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Today in this video, I am just going to tell you some key features about it. So if you want to see a demo of this, you can comment in the comment section below. I'll surely make another video for that in which I'll show demo of this product. So let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about its detergent drawer. To open its detergent drawer, you just need to hold it from here and pull, so it will open. So this washing machine provides a 3-compartment dispenser. The left compartment is the main wash, the front right is for fabric softener, and this rear right is if you want to put any pre-wash detergent, if you want to pre-wash any of your clothes. So it is for that. Just put everything in it and then close it. Okay, now let's talk about its control panel. To turn on the washing machine, click on this power button. It will turn on the washing machine. Now select this, you now turn the cycle selector to select any cycle. You can change the cycle settings like its temperature or spin from here. If you want to select any program, just click on this button and it will start the program. So now this is our cycle selector. Turn the dial to select any cycle. And this is our display. It will show our current cycle information and estimated time remaining or any information code when any problem occurs. So if you want to change the temperature of the water, then you can select it from here. If you want to change the spinning speed of the current cycle, then you can just click on this and it will change your current cycle spinning speed. These options is for a pre-wash, or if you want to do any intensive wash or pre-wash. This is for that. And this is our delay end. It let us set the end timing of the current cycle based on your setting. So basically this setting is useful for programming your machine to finish a wash at the time you normally return home from work. So it is used for that. It is basically in hours. And as I told you, it is to select any operation. So you can also child lock your machine to prevent accidents by children. Child lock locks all button except for power. To set the child lock function, hold this temperature and spin option together for few seconds. So now you can see that now child lock is active. So in the child lock state, you must first release the child lock if you want to add detergent or laundry. So your setting will be kept even after you restart this machine. So in this child lock position, only this power button will work. To release it, then again click this temperature and spin option. Now you can see it is released. Now if you want to turn on or off the sound from the washing machine, then you can select this spin and options button. So it will mute the sound. To unmute the sound, hold down again for 3 seconds and it will unmute the sound. You can sort your laundry and then put it into the machine, and then you can select any program for here, and these information will change accordingly. So like if you select the cotton option, so you can see you will not see any time here. So basically this time is calculated based on the load of your cloth. So it will be calculated automatically once you start this program. This is for synthetics. You can see default options are temperature 40, spin 1000. So if you want to change, you can change it from here, all the options. So next is wool. You can put any woolen clothes for this, and default option are this. You can see 53 minutes. And rinse and spin, this is to only rinse and spin your clothes, and this is to spin. So its total time is 14, and you can see this spin cycle is 1000 rotations per minute. So this is for daily wash. For daily wash, our timing is 64 minutes and temperature is 40 and spin is 1000. You can change it according to your preference. This is for delicates, and total wash time is 35 minutes. This is for denim. You can see temperature is 40, spin is 800 and total time is 73. You can select these options according to your need if you want to pre-wash your clothes. And this is for hygiene system. It's total of 3 hours because its temperature is 60 and spin is 1000. So it's all about it. So then you can just select any operation from here and then just click on this button and it will start that program. That's all about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. If you have any questions or queries regarding this, you can comment in the comment section below. I will surely reply to it. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.